I was able to get 833 subscribers in just 4 days. Now, you might be wondering how I did it. There are a whole lot of YouTubers out there that are able to grow their subscriber count and then also grow their views in a very short amount of time. You would probably have really good content like some of those subscribers, but you're stuck in the same subscriber count that you have been in like maybe 5 months or even more. And now having good content is one of the ways to grow on YouTube, but there are other factors that you need to add to having a good content to be able to quickly boost your YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to be showing you some settings that you can turn on to make sure that you're maximizing your chances of growing quickly on YouTube. Now, these steps are very important, especially the last one that I'm going to be mentioning here. So by the time this video comes to an end or is almost coming to an end, I'm going to be making a very good announcement. So I'm going to be doing a free channel audit for channels, right? I'm going to do it for my subscribers or people who are not even my subscribers, as long as you are present. So by the end of this video, I will let you guys know how you can participate on this. So without further ado, let's get right into the purpose of this video. These settings are very important, so you want to make sure that you are really noting down everything that I will talk about. Now, before you can do any of the settings, you want to make sure that you're using your YouTube Studio. Right now, you might have the YouTube Studio app, but it is better to use your YouTube Studio on your browser. So you can use your Safari, you can use your Chrome, whatever browser you have. So I'm currently using Chrome on my PC. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Firstly, you want to go into your YouTube Studio on your browser, like I said, and then scroll down by your left hand side until you see customization. Click on customization and scroll down again until you see video watermark. Now, this is a tool provided by YouTube, and it is something that you need to take hold of, right? So you can upload whatever watermark that you want. So it can be the watermark of subscribe. So if you click on upload, you're going to be able to upload that picture. So all you have to do is have a picture of whatever you want to show on your video as watermark. So what I always advise is that you have a watermark that has subscribe to it, a call to action, right? You need to have a call to action to make sure that your viewers are able to, you know, subscribe to you or like your video. So you can have a picture of subscribe and then you upload it, and then you can also set it in a way that it shows throughout your video, or it shows for maybe only the beginning part or the middle part, however you want it. So it is best to make sure that it shows throughout your video. That way your viewers are able to see it. Even if they don't see it at the beginning, they see it at the end. So you can use a picture of subscribe, and then the subscription is just there for people to see, just like what you are seeing right on this video. Now, before I move to the second one, I am going to be telling you a setting that you want to be avoiding, because I have seen a lot of YouTubers tell you to do the setting and it is very misleading, right? So now there's this setting that they tell you to do. When you go into your YouTube Studio, they tell you after uploading a video that you should hide your video from your subscriber count, which I am showing on this video. Now, if you are in a niche where you have a lot of subscribers that watch your videos, that enjoy your video, and then you upload your video and turn off this feature, it means that your subscribers are not going to see your videos, and then it would end up flopping. So the only case that this is a very good thing to do is maybe you are uploading a video that is not resonating with your subscribers, that you know and you're very sure that your subscribers are not going to watch. Then you can go ahead and untick this, and then YouTube will show it to new people on the feed. But if your subscribers would normally watch your content and then you turn this off, you are going to reduce your view count and it is going to affect your channel. Please don't do this if you have viewers who watch your video, except like I said, it is a video on another niche that you're sure that your subscribers would not watch. Now let's move to the second setting that you need to be doing. Now you want to go to your settings, click on your settings, still on the left hand side. You want to click on upload default. When you click on upload default, you're going to see basic info. Now scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see the area that says tag. So what this session is for is to make sure that you're able to put every tag that concerns or is related to your video. Now, if you have a specific tag that you're always using for all your videos, this would help you so that you don't have to always retype them. So you can type in whatever tag that you want to put here. For example, my videos are about YouTube growth, and I know that there are some tags that I would always use in almost all my videos, so I can just put this here so that every time that I upload my video, I don't have to start typing them out again. It is already there on every video that I have by default. Now another thing that I want to show you, this one is very important. Now a lot of people will come on your comment section, not because they love you, but because they want to just bring you down and they want to make you feel like you're not doing so much. They are not even trying to correct you with love. Their intention is not to correct, but to just make you feel very bad. Now all you have to do is click on your settings and then click on community moderation, and then you're going to see automated filter. What you want to do is scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see a place that says block words. So whatever words that you don't want on your comment section, type it in here. So if somebody comes on your comment section to type that particular thing, it would automatically be deleted. YouTube is not going to make it visible. So you can put all your block words here, and you can also tick on block links. Now if you're trying to avoid people from pasting link on your comment section, especially links that you're not sure of, because a lot of people can hack, your viewers' accounts. They can just post links that are not good, right? So you want to click on block link, and this way you'll be able to make sure that nobody is posting any link on your comment section. Another very good setting that I'm going to be showing you is still on settings. Now when you're on settings, what you want to click on is your channel. When you click on channel, go to advanced settings, and then you scroll down. Now when you scroll down, you're going to see do not show potential inappropriate words. So there are times you're making your videos and then you're using some words. You will notice that sometimes the YouTube auto caption is usually not correct every time 100%, because it is AI that is actually automating these captions. So you might say something that is not a swear word, and the caption might put a swear word there for you. And you know that YouTube is very their policies are very strict. They don't like swear words. That's why you see a lot of channels putting censors on their videos. Now you can click on this way you'll be able to make sure that every swear word is not it's not said on your video. You are able to avoid swear words on your videos that can potentially harm your channel in the future. Now another good setting that you can do is still on that channel and basic info. So when you click on basic info, you would see that I have a lot of keywords here. So these are keywords that are related to my videos, the kind of videos that I make. Now these keywords will make it easy for people to find my channel. So you want to put whatever keywords that you have that resonates with your channel on this place. Now I have a video that would show you how to grow your channel with some settings. These settings are very important. Now these settings are like how to customize your YouTube, how to just get more views. So I'm going to put it here. You can click on this video to watch some of these settings, because there are a whole lot of settings and I'm not able to touch everything on this video because I already have a video on this. So you can click on this video and then you would be able to see how you can really grow fast on YouTube. Now if you've watched up to this extent, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below to let me know. Now for the exciting news for channel audit, right? I am going to be auditing a lot of channels. I have figured out that there are a lot of small channels that really don't know that they are doing some wrong things and they don't know how to correct this. So I want to do a channel audit to just help small YouTubers, you know, to just help them maximize their growth on YouTube. I'll check your YouTube to know the errors that you're making, and I'm going to try my best to help everyone as possible. So in order to join or to be able to get a channel audit, you have to join my live videos, because that way we can get to interact. You can ask me questions if you're not sure, then I can explain vividly how you can better your channel. So you can always join my live. I'll be doing a lot of channel audits, even if I cannot cover everybody in one day, which is not possible. For every live that I come on, I'll touch, you know, some channels and audit their channel. Now if there's anything that you guys would like to know, if there's any video that you would like me to create, please let me know in the comment section. Now a lot of my subscribers might not know, but I am very open to questions. Now if you have any questions for me, you can send me a mail. This is the reason I have this channel, to help other people grow. So you can send me, you know, questions to my mail if you want. If you can also leave a comment on my community tab. I have a lot of posts on my community tab. That is where I get to interact with my community, so you can ask me whatever questions and I would answer them. And now don't be scared to ask me as much as you want. I know somebody has told me before that they find it hard to ask me a lot of questions because they feel like they're disturbing me. Now ask me 100 questions. I am going to take time to answer them, as long as you're asking me questions that are regarding to YouTube, you know. If this video was helpful and you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe. Also leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up on this video to help YouTube show more people. Thank you so much for watching.